Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show a dummy dissection. So what I'm gonna use is that I'm gonna use a pen knife. Okay. So what you wanna do is that you just wanna turn him around and cut him. You can choose whether you wanna cut him open from the front or from the back. So this is the same dummy from the previous video. The dummy, how to make a dummy, you can check it out. So it's when I watched how you call it, autopsy, they usually cut it open from the front. So we'll start with the front down here. Cut open too much. Okay. So I didn't cut it open really well. So we're going to start. So whenever you conduct an autopsy, especially in real life, make sure the patient is dead before you do it. You don't want to do it to someone who's sleeping and he wakes up with his body open with some parts gone. So as you can see, you can find the intestines, this pink thing, the gallbladder, this green thing, the large intestine, the stomach, which is kind of cut, part of the rib, liver, part of the lung, I guess. Now I'm just going to open it a little bit more. Push it open. His head fell off, never mind. So now you got the lungs with some attached ribs. Just pull those ribs off. So usually whenever somebody is died, they conduct an autopsy, and sometimes they might do research on it. They don't always do an autopsy. Usually it's cremated, buried, or something like that. There's another lung. You have to push through it. Clay is starting to mix now. So we removed all the organs, most of it, I think. Leg fell off. So now we're gonna remove the arm. So as you can see, there's part of the arm bone there. See, now there's a hole. Let's remove the arm. This arm is also gone. I'm gonna remove the leg. Still some bone in there, but never mind. And usually doctors, they might take some skin sample, and then they just toss the rest away, just chuck it away. So sometimes they might cut open the arms and have a look. So in our previous video, this is how the arms were made. It's the bone and the clothes, because we ran out of red clay and all that. So let's take the arm away. The other arm kind of works the same too. Just cut it open and then all the white stuff inside. Leg is about the same. No blood. Just like that. Cut through. Pull the foot off. Foot is just a ball of black clay, nothing inside. See, nothing. This part's still here. Toss this away. It's the pants. The pants too. More pants and then the shoes. Usually they'll just toss away the shoes for the autopsy. They're quite useless too. And now we're coming to the head. So, remove lips, toss it away. Or they can take it and they can send it for research, put it here. Sometimes they might cut out the eye. So for the brain, what they do is that they cut around the skin slightly, and then they pull the skin off, and they use some kind of saw or something like that to cut it off. But since this is clay, I won't be like gluten clay and like open it like that. See, cut open. And just crack it open, and you got the brain still intact. Not completely intact though. That's why I made it like that for the previous video, so that the brain can stay and won't stick to the side like that a little bit, and it'll send the brain. So gotta research. Let's see, it looks like this. What do you think it looks like? I think it'd be some shoe or a dog's face anyway. So just put that back together. Sometimes they cut out the eye too, to freeze it to some other autopsy dudes. Just cut out the eye. There. And that's one of the eye. Nice. If the eye, he died of some infection, then they'll send the eye to see whether there's some kind of eye infection. Out the other eye, and you'll send for research thing. So these are the things that it'll send to maybe research on. Sometimes they might send the head, but usually not. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is quite a chance. I'm gonna try to put this dummy back together. It's been cut open. Everything has been ripped out, but who knows whether it's possible or not. So let's give it a little try. So first I'm going to start with the head as usual. Take the brain. And we smash it in. Just roughly pinch it. Shove the eyes in. One eye's up and one eye's down. Never mind. This part's gonna be a bit of comedy, but if it's too gross, then it's gonna become a horror. So this is the leg. Just put it back together. Look like this. This. I wonder where the heart is actually. I think I accidentally crushed the heart or something. Never mind. Just put the heart there. Put the lung here. The other lung. Other lung is here. Just put it here. It's white ribs here. Just roughly put it on. Seams on it too. Oh, we didn't add any bladder or genitals or boobs or anything. Put the intestines back. I know. You're ruining the filming again, Mommy. You're the imposter. Everybody knows. Everybody knows I've taekwondo at this time. Oh, damn. Where's this pink thing go? That's this intestines. Put it there. This is black. Boy, that's the liver. Just put it there. Hopefully I didn't put the liver as the shoe. Close everything. I forgot this blue thing, whatever it is. Close it. Close this Okay, we put the dummy back together. Well, sort of. Well, yeah. I think we can make this into a zombie, don't you think? Okay. So this will be a bonus. So I need some green clay. Just green clay and I think I need a pen. So you just want to cut open some parts. And you want to replace it with some green clay. Just like that. Some intestines and pull it out slightly, I guess. Just like that. I guess you can bite off a little bit here. To remove the brain with the zombies don't have brains. Just put the brain nowhere else to put the brain. Just smash it in. This misplace the eyes, I guess. Can add some cut injuries. Put some green inside there. This random thing here. With the leg like this, I can lean it forward. It's kind of ducked up. Like this. Put it on his knee like this. More stability. There. And now you've got it. The zombie done is being made. This thing's so hard to angle. So just in case of some zombie apocalypse, I guess you could just use this thing to chop his head off. Just for some practice, I guess. Just take him, stab and stab, stab. Stab, 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 stab. Rip it in half. Stab his body so zombies still can be alive without a head. Rip him in half. See, look at all that. It's the spine, which is supposed to be a rib. It's the bottom. Rip him in half. And of course he is dead by then. But the legs can still move. So pull the legs in half just to be safe. And if you find the zombie's brain, crush it. And yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and didn't get scared. And leave a like. It'll be the world to me if you subscribe. Thank you.